Srikanth Tatwarti. You watching Srikanth Ideal Chemistry. In this video, we are discussing about mesomeric effect. So, mesomeric effect is similar to the resonance. So, it is also called as a resonance effect. And the mesomeric effect is occurred by the conjugation of pi electrons or lone pair electrons towards the more electronegative species. So, it is similar to resonance and called resonance effect. Okay, it involves incomplete transfer of pi electrons or lone pair electrons towards the more electronegative species. It involves in complete transfer of pi electrons or lone pair electrons towards the more electronegative species. More electronegative species. Okay, and the mesomeric effect is a permanent effect. It is two types. It is permanent effect and it is two types, that is plus M effect and minus M effect. So we will discuss one by one. First I just take the plus M effect. So plus M effect, it is plus M effect is shown by the electron donating groups. What is the plus M effect is shown by the electron donating groups? Here the pi electrons or lone pair electrons are transferred towards conjugated system by the influence of electron donating group or electron releasing group. So here pi electrons or lone pair electrons transfer towards conjugate system by the influence of electron releasing groups or electron donating groups. Okay, the compounds or molecules, the species which can show the plus M effect, in that species the central atom must have a charge, negative charge or lone pair electrons. In this, the central atom has negative charge or lone pair electrons on it. So this is about a plus M effect. Here I just give some order about plus M groups. Order of plus M or plus R groups is CH2 minus, NH minus, O minus, N, CH3 taken to NH, CH3, NH2, OR alkoxy, OH alcohols, NHCO or amides, RCO minus and X halogens. Okay, so this is the order of decreasing of plus M power or plus R power. Okay, now I just give one example. Generally, what is plus M effect? In the plus M effect, the pi electrons or lone electrons are transferred towards the conjugate system. I mean, it will be present like if we take one conjugate system. Conjugate system means we have alternate double bonds or alternate positive and double bonds like this. So here this is group. This group is plus M group. Here when the lone electrons are transferred toward the conjugate system. This is the conjugate system. In that situation, the pi electrons can be transferred to in this manner. So this is one conjugate system, and if you want to see the another conjugate system, I just give another conjugate system. So this is another conjugate system. Here also the lone electrons are moves from electron donating group to conjugate system. So here also the lone electrons are moved toward the conjugate system. Okay, so this type of effect we can call as a plus sum effect. So for plus sum effect, here I just give one example. Here I just take the chlorobenzene. So this is a chlorobenzene. So in the chlorobenzene, okay, chlorine having a three lone pairs. In that situation, one lone pair can be shifting towards as a pi electrons. In that situation, these pi electrons shifting towards to this carbon as a lone pair electrons. So resulting structure we get like double bonded chlorine. Here chlorine lost the one lone pair, so that's why we get the positive charge. So this is these two are the resonating structures, and then when after these lone pair electrons are shifting towards here as a pi electrons, and these pi electrons shifting towards to this carbon as a lone pair electrons, then we get another resonating structure that is present like this is next resonating structure. After again these lone pair electrons are shifting towards here as a pi electrons, and these pi electrons are shifting towards to this carbon as a lone pair electrons. Then we get the structure like so. This is the structure, structure 4. After here again these lone pair electrons are shifting as a pi electrons towards here, and these pi electrons are shifting towards the chlorine as a lone pair electrons. Then we get the structure like so. This is structure 5. So by the combination of all these 5 structures, we can all these are we call as resonating structures. Based on the all these are resonating structures, I just write the resonance hybrid. So this is resonance hybrid of a chlorobenzene. So here the lone pair electrons are moves towards to the conjugate system. The lone pair electrons moves from the here chlorine is the plus m group or electron releasing group or electron donating group. Here the lone pair electrons are moves from the electron releasing group to conjugate system, and these lone pair electrons are completely moves along the conjugate system and comes back to the chlorine. So this is about the plus m effect. So next category is minus m effect. Next minus m effect. In the minus m effect, the pi electrons or lone pair electrons are attracted by electron withdrawing group from conjugate system. Here pi electrons or lone pair electrons attracted by electron withdrawing groups from conjugate system. Here pi electrons or lone pair electrons are attracted by electron withdrawing group from a conjugate system. So in this, the central atom must have electron deficient and surrounded by high electronegative atoms. In this, the central atom is deficient and surrounded by high electronegative atoms. Then order of here I just give some examples for minus I groups or electron withdrawing groups. So then order of minus m or minus r groups. So those are in highest power is for nitro, after cyano, after aldehyde, after esters, sorry, ketones, after anhydride, after carboxylic acid, after amides, and after triple bond. So this is the order of minus m power for groups, for some groups. Here in the minus m effect, the electrons are pi electrons or lone pair electrons are attracted by the electron withdrawing group from the conjugated system. So for this, here I just want to give an example. I just take the nitrobenzene. What is nitrobenzene? So this is the nitrobenzene. So in the nitrobenzene, so at first if you take its resonance structure, these pi electrons are shifting towards here as a pi electrons, and these pi electrons shifting towards the oxygen as a lone pair electrons. Then we get the structure like and for this carbon we just get the positive charge. After again, so these pi electrons are shifting towards here as a pi electrons, and these positive charge shifting towards to these carbon. Then we get next resonating structure, that is so this is next resonating structure. After again these pi electrons are shifting towards here as a pi electrons, and these positive charge shifting towards to these carbon. Then we get next resonating structure, that is okay. So this is the next resonating structure. After again, so these pi electrons are shifting towards these lone pi electrons are shifting towards to as a pi electrons. In this situation, these pi electrons are shifting towards to here as a pi electrons. We get the next resonating structure, that is okay. So these are the resonating structures, and then now I just give the resonance hybrid for this all type of resonating structures, and this is a resonance hybrid of nitrobenzene. Here the pi electrons are shifting from the pi electrons are attracted by the electron minus I group. Minus M groups are electron withdrawing group. Here pi electrons are moves from conjugate systems to electron withdrawing group or minus M group. So we call as it is a minus M effect. So this is about plus M effect and minus M effect. Here I want to discuss some key points. The mesomeric effect always works at orthon para position, not at a meta position. So mesomeric effect works at orthon para position, not at a meta position. So the mesomeric effect always works at a orthon para position and not at a meta position. And next one is mesomeric effect always dominates the inductive effect except for halogens. Mesomeric effect always dominates inductive effect except for halogens. And some groups are working as both plus M groups and minus M groups. So those are, and this is about note, groups like SH, PH2, phenyl, vinyl or and nitroso works as both plus M and minus M groups. So this is about a mesomeric effect. Okay students, in this video we are discussing about mesomeric effect. In the next video we are discussing about applications of mesomeric effect or resonance effect. If you okay students, if you like my concept, please subscribe to my channel, please like and share my videos. Thank you.